Namaskaram and hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of my personal favorite topics, which is cooking oils. Specifically, which ones to minimize using, which ones to avoid, and which ones are the best to use for everyday cooking. We all use cooking oils, but which is avoidable, which is unavoidable? Besides, our bodies need good quality, healthy fats to thrive, but we can make a conscious choice about what oil we are using. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of oils in the market and what the effects of using them are and help you make the right choice. There are two types of edible oils commonly used: refined oils and cold press oils. Both of these contain saturated, monosaturated and polysaturated fats. These oils also contain linoleic acid, alpha linoleic acid and trans fatty acids, which are produced through the hydrogenation process of the vegetable oil. By the way, vegetable oils are also known as vanaspati ghee. Now, what is hydrogenation? Hydrogenation means repeatedly heating the oil. This repeated heating makes the oil oxidized and it loses its nutritional value. Further, the trans fat in it spikes your cholesterol levels and increases your risk of cardiovascular and coronary heart diseases. Coronary artery disease is one of the most common health problems worldwide, and especially in India. It is also the leading cause of mortality globally. Let's talk about refined oils and the effect it has on our bodies. Most of us use refined vegetable oils and seed oils because they cost less and are advertised to have better values than other oils. But did you know that these are among the major causes of cardiovascular disease? In India, refined oil is most commonly used in cooking and to save cost. The oil is also reused for frying. So how does this matter? Well, refined oil is, as the word means, refined. This means that after the oils are extracted, they are refined with the chemical solvents in order to make more profits. Not only is that even the extraction of oils often corrupted, some oils are processed with hydrogenation to make it lighter and clearer. This way, the companies make more oils with lesser ingredients. These oils are also further introduced to chemical solvents like acetic acid, phosphoric acid, and bleaching soda, which make the oil appetizing by making them transparent and odor-free from their natural smell of nuts. This makes them toxic, especially when consumed in high quantities. The extracted oils are subjected to high levels of heat repeatedly to give them a uniform, attractive look. When oil is reheated continuously, it reaches its smoking point. This is the temperature at which the oil is no longer stable. It begins to break down, oxidize, and release free radicals, which can cause many health issues, including cancer. Not only that, it also releases a chemical known as acrolein that has the potential of damaging the lungs when inhaled. In India, we all enjoy samosas, puris, aloo tikkis, vadas, kachoris, jalebis, especially during festivities or other occasions. We never give a thought about how all these items are made in refined oil or refried oil. Think about this. Refined oil already has so many harmful qualities, and when it is used for refrying, these quantities multiply. This is why food cooked in refined oil is usually very hard to digest. It gets stored in the muscles, causing obesity and making us prone to diabetes and hypertension. This oil also ends up clogging the arteries and increasing the bad cholesterol in the body, along with various other complications. So, what is the alternative? Cold pressed oils. Cold pressed oils or wood pressed oils are naturally extracted, making them a much healthier option. These are extracted by pressing the nuts and seeds with wood. Cold pressed oils usually have a cloudy appearance because they're not chemically altered the way refined oils are. They also have a natural flavor and contain the nutrients of the ingredients compared to the chemically treated refined oil. One major advantage of cold pressed oils over refined oils is that it requires much less oil to cook a dish than refined oil. For example, if you need 500 milliliters of refined oil to prepare a dish, the same dish could be prepared in about 200 to 300 milliliters of cold pressed oil. So what cold pressed oils are available and most suited for Indian cooking methods and Indian food? Let's find out. The first is sesame oil. Sesame oil is one of the most commonly used oils in India from the past. It has a medium-high smoke point and it has several beneficial qualities for the heart because it is high in unsaturated fats. Sesame has the added effect of protecting your nervous system from conditions like Parkinson's diseases, and it helps to reduce your blood sugar levels, reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes. You can use sesame oil to saute your vegetables and meat and for general cooking. It works well as salad dressings too. Groundnut oil is the second. It is the second most commonly used cooking oil in parts of southern India. Although groundnut oil is high in calories, it balances out because it is free of cholesterol. It contains mono and polysaturated fats and is full of vitamin E and phytochemicals that protects the body from colon, prostate and breast cancers. The third good oil to use is mustard oil. Mustard oil is primarily used in the eastern parts of India and in some parts of North India. It is low in saturated fat and high in mono and polysaturated fats, making it incredibly beneficial for lowering the risk of coronary artery disease, chest pain, and heart attacks. It has a strong but slightly sweet flavor. Some studies have proved that using mustard oil for frying reduces the risk of coronary heart diseases by 70% compared to your regular sunflower oil. The fourth oil is coconut oil. The majority of people in coastal regions of South India use coconut oil for cooking. That's right, all the idlis, dosas, appams, vadas, uttapam, and all the delicious South Indian delicacies that you and I so love is made of coconut oil. Not only does it give the food a great flavor, but it also is very beneficial for heart, skin, and of course, the hair. Coconut oil contains saturated fats, but being short-chain fats, they have antioxidant and fat-burning properties. The triglycerides in the coconut oil are also great for the liver and act as a rapid energy supplier. Cold-pressed coconut oil has antimicrobial and antifungal properties which prevent skin breakouts. It also lowers your levels of bad cholesterol. Since it fills you up without too large a quantity, you don't overeat food cooked in this oil. The fifth is cold-pressed olive oil. Even though olive oil is full of nutrients and has plenty of antioxidants and good fats, the flavor really doesn't suit Indian cooking. It is also much more expensive than other cold-pressed oils. The sixth and the last is flaxseed oil. Flax seeds are full of nutrients by themselves, making them great additions to salads and other foods. Flax seeds oil contain alpha-linoleic acid, but it can't be used for cooking because it has a high smoke point. Now, what does smoke point mean? This means that when the oil is heated too much, it can release harmful compounds. However, you can still use it for your salad dressings or blend it with other edible oils. Some good brands are 24 Mantra, Organic India, Isha Life, Kapiva, and others which have Kachi Dhani on its label. Now let's talk about something that's not an oil but is natural and is the best medium for cooking Indian food. I cook all my meals in this. You have guessed it right. I'm going to be talking about ghee, the good old ghee. Many of us already use ghee to cook, and that is a great practice. Ghee made from cow's milk, especially desi cow, is best suited for all kinds of Indian cooking. Ghee has a high smoke point of about 450 degrees, so it's great for sabzis, chapatis, parathas, and any other Indian food that you can think about. Ghee is rich in calories and fat, but it also has the property of absorbing essential vitamins and nutrients. According to Ayurveda, ghee is the purest and the best fat. It has a cooling effect on the body, it enhances digestion, improves appetite, and nourishes the cells and our sense organs. Even though the fat tends to increase the kapha of the body, it converts into ojas, which is the essence of immunity and life. The best part of ghee is that it doesn't have a shelf life or expiry date. In fact, the older it becomes, the more its medicinal quality increases. Remember, the healthier option is usually more expensive than the unhealthier options. The same goes for oil. Cold-pressed oils and ghee are more expensive than refined oils. Other than this, if you still crave oil, you can trust brands like 24 Mantra, Organic India, Isha Life, Kapiva, and those which have Kachi Dhani on their label. Instead of spending lakhs on medical treatments, why not spend a little extra to buy ghee to prevent diseases from occurring? We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd be interested for more such videos, you can like and subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Pranam.
To get online personalized diet charts from us, you can contact +91 88 765 68310 or WhatsApp +91 939 56 38982.